What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we got VTC oil pressure solenoid right here. VTC system is right here, but this is the solenoid for the VTC that controls the oil pressure sensor. So it's gonna have a connector just like this connector. You're gonna have to push the tab here and pull it off. So just like this one right here, I'm gonna show you guys. You just push on this tab and pull out the connector, or you can kind of push the little guy right here inside from with some kind of pin and remove that. But when you put it back together, you gotta listen to that click, because this thing is grabbing onto that. So again, you push this tab and remove it for this little guy. So how to remove this little guy is, it has a 10mm bolt right here. First of all, this engine is out of the vehicle, so if your engine's in the car, you're gonna have a little tight spot, but enough space to work with. So that long 10mm will come out just like that. Okay, they give you they extend it so you guys can see it. So the next step here is the solenoid is not gonna come on its own, so you're gonna have to kind of wiggle it. Don't go crazy either, just a little light amount, because you know it is kind of, it has like a groove in there, but this thing will come out. So you see this little, this is what I'm talking about, this little guy right here. So this is not gonna let you twist all the way around. So this is what it looked like. Okay, so these will fail. So there is a number if you guys need it. It's a 5 Apple II made in Mexico. So there's no other numbers on this. So usually you will have a leak around here. So if there's oil coming from in there, the seal will fail. This thing can get dirty over time, so you want to check this guy. So very easy process to put this back in. You simply if you're putting a new one, this ring right here, put a little bit of lubrication around it. So same angle. You want to inspect inside, there's not dirt, anything like that. So you're gonna just get this guy in there, and it's just gonna go in right back to its spot. You're gonna put the 10mm bolt. So if you got a torque wrench, you want to torque this baby no more than 3 to 4 foot-pound, but hand tight is fine. Make sure you catch the threads first. Again, once you're done, make sure you put your connector on. That's how simple that is. So if you see oil coming right through here, most likely the seal fails on that. So that's something that you might want to do down the road. So very simple and easy to do. Sometimes these will get stuck, so you're gonna have to kind of wiggle around, play around with it. So let the engine be warm, so the seal can be a little softened up. Don't burn yourself either. So thank you for watching my video. This is a 2.4 liter 2013 Honda Accord engine, 4-cylinder. Simple and easy video. Thank you for watching.